Did you know you can kickstart your investment journey with just $100? A lot of people think you need to be some kind of Wall Street hotshot to make money in the market, but that's totally wrong. Stick around because today I'm breaking it all down for you in simple steps. Let's go! Before you throw your hard-earned cash into the market, let's break down what investing actually means. Essentially, it's about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting it sit in a savings account barely keeping up with inflation, you're putting it into assets like stocks, ETFs, real estate, with the goal of growing it over time. Every investment comes with some level of risk, but by understanding the basics and making smart decisions, you can minimize that risk and maximize your potential for returns. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Step 1 to becoming an investor is figuring out your why. What are you hoping to achieve by investing? Early retirement? Building a safety net? Long-term wealth? Whatever it is, get crystal clear about your goals. Write them down, make them specific, and keep them front and center. This is going to be your North Star, guiding your investment decisions and keeping you motivated for the long haul. With your goals locked in, it's time to choose where you're going to invest your money. This means finding the right investment platform, a brokerage account, that aligns with your needs. Look for platforms that are beginner-friendly, with low fees and no minimum balance requirements. Some popular choices for new investors include Robinhood, Acorns, and Webull. They're known for their user-friendly interfaces and accessibility. Do your research, compare features, and pick the platform that feels like the perfect fit for you. Here's a golden rule in the investing world. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's where diversification comes in. Even with just $100, you can start building a diversified portfolio. How? Fractional shares are your friend. These allow you to buy small slices of individual stocks, even if you can't afford the full share price. Another great option is ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which track a basket of assets, giving you instant diversification with a single investment. By spreading your money across different assets, you're reducing your risk. Let's talk about the magic of consistency. You don't need to drop a ton of money all at once. It's much better to start small and stay consistent with your investments. Even if you can only swing an extra $10 or $20 per month, that's totally fine. Over time, those small contributions can snowball into something significant thanks to the power of compound interest. It's a beautiful cycle of growth. The best investors in the world never stop learning. The market is constantly evolving, so you've got to stay ahead of the curve. There are tons of free resources out there to boost your investing IQ. YouTube channels just like this one are packed with valuable insights. Podcasts and blogs are other great ways to absorb knowledge on the go. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in making smart investment decisions. If there's one piece of advice I want to drill into your head, it's this. Patience is your best friend when it comes to investing. This isn't about getting rich-quick schemes or timing the market perfectly. Shift your mindset to long-term growth. Don't freak out over short-term fluctuations in the market. Stay focused on your goals, tune out the noise, and trust the process. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a solid investment portfolio. There you have it, a simple guide to start investing with just $100. Remember, every great investor started somewhere, and today is your day to start. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investment tips.